Yeah, I hear myself. I'm all good.
Reverb from the house? What you got?
You got, wait, one more time?
You need reverb?
Nah, we should be good.
Cool. What else? Drum? Bass? I'm good? Yeah.
Can we actually get a touch of reverb?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Want delay or reverb?
Let me get delay. We already got enough reverb. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yep.
That's
You want to hear that? Here? Some drums?
Alright.
Get that? Yep. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready for it?
I think we're good.
Take it.
I'm gonna actually open it up to the people really quick.
Yes.
Y'all want to start at a 1 or a 10?
10!
A 10? We're just gonna go all in.
Open up the fucking pit!
Alright. Yeah, let's get it. My name is Austin Pete. We are Death on My Wrist. With me, I have Grant on keys and bass. And then we got Wesley right here on the drum. Yeah. Glad to have you all here. We're just we're gonna get into it. I'll let y'all actually kick it off and then I'll jump in. We're gonna start with Girl. singing. The sweetness of the words in between the meaning. Pause between these words that keep us swinging. I know this when the whistle sound off. Feeling that it might just be in this sound off. Why'd I have to finish on the passport gone overseas? Turn the beat up on the rim. I know it's moving to 26. Training to turn the first ahead. Alright, I'm gonna ask y'all real quick to just kind of, if you feel so compelled, just groove for a little bit. You can groove in place. The floor is open. Just groove with us for a second. Love everything, living the night, wrapped in your arms. Big Blue. Thank you for your time, your presence, your attention, your energy. If it wasn't for you, there would be no me. So, shout out to y'all for showing up. Again, we are Death on My Wrist. We got Grant on keys. We got Wesley on drums. They gonna take it away from us. Great job, guys. Great job.
Yeah. Amazing. 10 out of 10.
Also, I'll see you after the meeting. You should, if you're here now, you should stick around for one. For one big